Eight-time Olympic gold medalist Usain Bolt and sportswear manufacturer Puma have partnered to contribute Jamaican $5 million each to STETHS and William Knibb Memorial High in Trelawney to aid in their recovery following Hurricane Melissa. Both schools sustained significant damage to their roofs when the powerful hurricane ravaged the island on October 28. Principal of STETHS, Keith Wellington, says the $5 million contribution from Puma and Bolt will kickstart their rehabilitation of the facility, which is estimated to cost US $8 million in damage.
The official estimates now put it closer to, well, not closer, over $3 million US, over $500,000 worth of damage done at STETHS. So $5 million will play its part in ensuring that we get back to full recovery, and we're really grateful for it. But we have some way to go in terms of covering all the expenses that will be incurred to get STETHS back to where it was before. And for us, we also want to not necessarily just get back to where we were, but to improve on the facilities before, because we needed some work to have been done before.
Of course, that's US $3 million in damage at STETHS. Now, Puma officials, the US Bolt Foundation, and another non-profit organization, World Vision, began distributing care packages, including Puma shoes, family food kits, school bags, toys, and hygiene kits at selected locations across the 5 parishes worst affected by Hurricane Melissa. National Director of USA Programs with World Vision, Reed Slattery, provided some details about what they've been doing on the island.
In the Usain Bolt Foundation, and we have 2,000 pairs of brand new shoes from Puma that they donated that we shipped over from the U.S. And so we've been partnering with Nugent and the Usain Bolt Foundation, and we identified 5 different communities, 1 in each parish that was hard hit, and we've done Christmas distributions there. And so we've set up where we're distributing toys to the kids. We're distributing backpacks and school supplies, and we're also distributing Puma shoes. So it's been a real treat for all the kids to get the supplies that they need and to have a great Christmas.